So let's do the other two categories. First of all, I need to get down into my second category, pick a background. Probably easier. It always starts me off at the beginning, but here we go. So I used this one. Now let's use this one for our second category. I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to then take my second one, which was food, and put it right on top there. Oh, that one says food. Now, because I moved the current time indicator, so always be aware this is going to show wherever the laser pointer is. So there's food on the green background. If I'm like, you know what? I used that one. Maybe food would look better with this one. You can just drop it right on top of there, and now I've got food with a different background. And this can be changed later too. So let's go ahead and nest these two together as category B. This is a title. Category B, and you could copy and paste this from week 7 as well. So I think that's week 6, and this is food. Now let's get our food pictures. We can look here and get by control clicking 4, 5, and 6 in the right order. Doesn't look like that's working too well. Let's try this again. Control, control, control. There's our 3 pictures of food with 4 spaghetti, a salad, and pizza. Again, these were pictures. Let me zoom out a little more. We got a little more room there. And we're going to do our last category as well. So let's just go down here to our folder where we have one more background to use. That's this green one. And our last category is animals. Let's look at it and nest these two. So nest, title, category C, animals. And we've got a timeline made of just those two things so that it'll be easier to move them around, swap them. You can even change the order of your whole categories if you really needed to. But we now need 3 pictures of animals. Let's go find them. But let's switch to this list view. Use this to go up and find our last 3 pictures. They are 7, 8, and 9. Now notice that we actually are lasting a little bit longer than that minute. So I would need to unlock this warning color and now bring it right to the end. We want it there for every bit of every picture. And we're in pretty good shape here. We have built our master sequence and we're ready to start working with it. I'm going to go up to the very top, list view, and you can see we've got our 3 intro categories right here, introducing each of the categories. And we have our master timeline that we're looking at right now, and that warning color. So we've got everything we need. Now, I have not been saving this as I've been working. It's not a good idea. This can crash at any moment. A little Control S on the keyboard, and you can see that asterisk went away. You want to do that every time you accomplish something. You get a title nested. You get all 3 pictures laid out there just in the way they're supposed to be. You get that warning color locked again. Just be hitting that Control S. Your left hand should learn to do that automatically. We will be adding a little more at the end, some credits, but we're going to now animate all of this with keyframes.